Before we start, let's take a moment. There's no traffic, there is no construction noise, it's just green rice fields, fresh air, and a villa that did not come here to take a small part. Welcome to Tabanan, where villas will ruin your standards forever. Now, arriving at this villa already feels suspiciously calm. Like, why am I so relaxed? Why is my blood pressure normal? And then you come to realize why. This estate sits on 2,400 square meters of land. That's right, that's 24 are on the Greenbelt of Nyambu, which is one of Tavanan's most private residential neighborhoods in the area. Architecturally speaking, this property is very modern, is very elegant, is very clean. It's not cold in the sense that it doesn't want to be touched. It's actually the opposite. This property here wants to be lived in and also flexed on Instagram. Now, at some point, the villa decided that the indoors and outdoors should stop fighting. So there's no barriers, there's no drama, it's just open space and fresh air. Now we can see here in the back, the living pavilion. It opens up directly to the swimming pool area, as well as the garden courtyards and the outdoor lounge. So you're never really inside, but you're never really outside. It's kind of confusing in the best possible way. Now this here is the type of kitchen that'll make you think you'll start cooking more. You probably won't, but at least guys, you'll look good while not doing it. You got the big counter here, you got the clean lines, you got plenty of storage, you got everything you need guys, and nothing you don't. Now the concept of this kitchen is obviously open plan. You have the high-end appliances, you even have a secret kitchen in the back, number 2. And I tell you why guys, because proper hosting deserves always a backup. So this kitchen here guys will definitely fit your lifestyle, whatever that lifestyle may be. Okay, stop. This is most than likely one of the most important parts of the villa, because once you see this pool area, the rest of the property is just a bonus. You have this designed large swimming pool overlooking the jungle. You got this landscape deck. I mean, you have everything for it to be so peaceful and calm. And if you were to purchase this property, let me tell you, you will be making the right choices of life. So the views here in the back is actually doing 2 jobs. One is very good for your soul, and number 2, these views right here guys, it adds so much value to the property. It's so rare to find it in Bali. So you can just imagine in the mornings, going for a swim at the pool, or even in the afternoons, having a nap time, or even in the sunsets, having a cocktail, you know, like this place delivers. And honestly, it's the type of place that you think that one time every single day of the week, you come here, you're overlooking the jungle, and you say to yourself, yes, Alexis, I have made the right decision. So this outdoor area is basically a lifestyle. You have the coffee in the morning, you have the wine in the evening, and you have those deep conversations, you will definitely not remember tomorrow. Elevated views, open space, complete privacy. I feel like this area works for absolutely everything. Now let's talk about the bedrooms, because this right here, guys, is where the magic actually happens. So the villa comes with 4 en-suite bedrooms, each one of them with floor to ceiling glass. They each have their own private garden courtyard. And this villa is designed so well that it's so quiet, it's so calm, that it just feels like it accidentally fixed your own sleeping schedule. You come to this villa for 1 day and all of a sudden, wow, it's like 3 days. Every villa has that one room people do not expect to love. This is it. Stone finishes, rainfall showers, spa energy. These bathrooms feel more like a retreat than a routine. What I really love about this villa is the balance. You got modern design, warm materials, textured stone, timber accents. Nothing feels overdone, nothing feels trendy in a way that will age badly. This is the kind of villa that still looks good in 10 years' time. Now let's talk about Tabanan, guys, because this part here really matters. If Canggu is loud and noisy, Tabanan is where you can breathe again. There's more green, there's more space, there's less chaos. Yet at the same time, you're very close to everything, just without the stress. Now let's not forget the biggest flex here, guys. This property right here, it's a freehold. In Bali, this means you're not renting out a lifestyle, you actually own it. The land rights for this property include Pakai for the main residential area, as well as HGV for the parking lot right here, as well as the extension of the land. So this estate right here gives you a very serious long-term flexibility, which makes it a fantastic investment option. Now this here is usually the part where we say goodbye. It's hard. It's difficult. I mean, you can't get used to these rice fields, these views, this privacy. It's something you really don't rush. You must enjoy it. So Mr. Cameraman, I heard you're gonna be leaving pretty soon, but I'm gonna be staying here for a few hours and I'm gonna make the most out of the property.
Are you guys done?
What? He's here already. Okay, we gotta go.